Hi, I'm Holly. Welcome to Insider Style with Wynstan. I'm joined by Kate Lawrence, interior designer and owner of these beautiful homes. So, Kate, what prompted this new build?
We've kind of renovated a few places before and we were looking to do something, I guess, a bit more challenging. We wanted to get into the development side of things and this block popped up and we thought, why not? Let's do it.
What was it about this block?
We wanted something that was flat. We also wanted something that was in close proximity to the beach. I want it to have a coastal feel. Although I've done one side light and the other dark, I think it still touches on that raw organic materials, organic shapes, and reflects the beach.
Where did you look for inspiration to get the two different styles?
I gathered a lot of inspiration obviously from Instagram, magazines, Pinterest is probably the biggest one.
And then when it came to narrowing down into your colour palettes and your finishes, how did you make those final choices?
You need to kind of like take a step back, gather just like the main pictures that you like rather than 100 different things. And then I kind of always put it into a mood board. And that's I can keep going back to that and go, oh, is that finish working with the mood board? Yes, no, okay, that's my decision. In our master bedroom, we've got these big stacking doors. So we've done the roller blind on the inside, which is obviously very practical, block it out, can have a great sleep, and then the sheer curtain in front. So the sheer curtain just complements the whole interiors of the room, softens it, it's so beautiful. I love a sheer curtain.
So has the building gone to plan or have there been any big obstacles along the way?
I feel like very lucky. We had a great team, we had an amazing builder. So it has gone to plan. Naturally things pop up, you need to change things, you kind of need to adapt and you can't be set in your way because you're building a house and that's just the nature of it. But I have been extremely lucky.